Okay, not yet. Wait for me.
Okay.
Unbox your magic cauldron and lay out all the ingredients.
Add the water.
After you hear the tap 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 and see the green light, tap on the cauldron 3 times with your wand.
Oh, there it is. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, oh, it's tap, tap, tap.
Wow. Okay. So what's next? Not yet.
When you hear the celebration tune, you can move to the next step. Now it's time to give your Mixie its voice
Magic
by pouring
potion.
in the sound
Mighty
dust.
potion.
Number 2.
Stir the sound dust with your wand and wait for the tap 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 and green light. Now it's time to add sparkle to your Mixie's eyes by dropping in the glimmer voice by pouring in the sound dust. Stir the sound.
And you pour it in please. At the middle. This is number 2.
Yeah? It's bubbling.
You pour it in please.
Oh.
There it is. So can you mix it up? Come on, just mix it. Mix and mix.
On the bits.
Yes, you're a witch.
Dust with your wand and wait for the tap 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 and green light. Now it's time to add sparkle to your Mixie's eyes by dropping in the
Okay,
glimmer
time to add sparkles.
3.
Let me help you.
star.
Oh.
Oops, taking too long. This is number 3. Can you get it? Give me your hand. You put it there. Star.
Done.
You mix it up.
Next, grant your Mixie its wings by adding in the magic feather.
Come on, let's add the magic feather. Okay. There you go. Get it. And then, what's the... Mix it up. Gently lang, gently lang. Wow. Nice.
It's
Now it's
35.
time to color your Mixie with the
Color.
fizz flower.
Number 5.
Oh.
Show them number 5.
Don't forget to listen for the tap, tap, tap.
Okay. Show it the camera. Wow. Mix it up. And forget the tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap here. You wait for it to finish. Wait for it to... Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is happening? You mix it up.
Next up, you'll need to add the creation
Ah.
crystal.
Creation crystal. Number 6. Wow, it's already misting. Look. Look at the creation crystal. Number 6. I'll show it in the camera before you put it. Mix it up. Wow. This looks really nice. Look. Here, look. Looks really nice. Kira are you a witch?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next? You ready to put the crystal?
Yeah.
Did you mix it? Okay, let's wait for the instruction. It already made the sound, right?
Yeah.
The potion is nearly finished. If you haven't already, it's time to name your Mixie. Write your Mixie's name on the scroll and drop it in.
What's the name of your Mixie?
Love.
Now
What is
say
the
the
name of your
magic
Mixie?
words.
Love. Yeah.
Magicus Mixes.
Oh. Oh my God, so red.
Make sure you remove your wand and don't put your hands inside the cauldron.
Write her name here. Write her name here.
Love.
Love? Oh, you put it here. Write your name. Write her name. Wow, and then put it in. Put it in.
Wait. It's already done.
Oh, it's already done. Ta-da! What's that? What's that?
Remove
1, 2, 3.
cauldron. You will need an adult to help you remove the elastic bands.
So do you need help getting the doll?
Remove your
Get
magic
love?
Mixie from the
Yeah.
cauldron by rotating anti-clockwise and gently pulling it out.
You like it? It's a magic. Is Kira a witch? You made the doll?
Yeah. I was so excited.
Wow.
She's talking.
Look at your baby.
Oh.
Look, love. Look at love. Hey, show it to the camera. Show them baby. You show them. What's the name of your baby?
Love.
Is it magic?
Yeah.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Good job.
How can it sit?
Wait, I'll teach you.
First, you need to be able to read your magic Mixie's energy.
Magic Maximus.
Magicus Mixes.
Look.
Make sure you remove your wand and don't put your hands inside the cauldron.
Wow. Is it nice? Alright. Say, look, show them your introduce their plushie.
Her name is Love.
Again?
Her name is Love.
Wow. Is it nice?
Yes. But how can I do with this potion?
What do you do? I will know about it soon. It's a different it's for a different experiment. It's for the
All sorts of magic with your Mixie.
What's that for?
You need to be able to read your
You show.
Mixies energy.
Let's read it here. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye, guys.